Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tika. If you're returning, welcome back. It is now 6 o'clock, like 6:19. I just got up and we have a long day. And first of all, I forgot that I am doing 2 videos a week thinking for September. So I didn't edit my video for tomorrow, and tomorrow is Sunday. Today is Saturday. I need to wash my hair today. I need to get my nails done, my lashes done. And I was like, oh my god, the video. So I have the video, I just need to edit the video, and then I need to do this one. Yeah, we need to wash our ear first. I've been delaying this whole process of it for so long, but today is the day. What are we going to listen to and put y'all on the game, because y'all don't know ball. I know ball. After the war, I went back to New York. After the war, I went back to New York. So, the war, what was it? Running out of time, running out of time. I wanna ride. I can to get the people. Unite the colonies, the more get federations, and I said I got. I was riding up a fever, comes around, lady gently, and she put her love down, soft and sweet. I heard there was someone, but I'll be the one. Dream without war. How was I supposed to know what love looked like? I'm already guys. We are soldiers in the army. You got to fight, although you got to fight. Hi guys, it's many days later. I had the same day, but we're just about to begin the process. I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. So I'm finished my hair. Now I'm going to get it parted. I'm finally getting my hair combed. It is now no more problem. Do you feel? I done. Damn, it is now 8:26 and I'm finally getting my hair combed. I'm so tired, I want to sleep. You to be there to support me mentally. If I went back to hooked for my bands, would you poof and disappear? Like some of my friends, if I was hitting, I was hurt, but you'd be by my side. If it was time to put in work, I already see myself. Do you guys want to see progress? Because I have progress. Today is the day of me uploading. So before I continue with my hair, I need to finish editing the faces that we have. Do you guys like it? I don't know, because I can't see. But you still have love for me, girl. But I think I like how it's coming out, and even if I don't like how it come out, it's gonna stay in there for like 3-4 weeks. So I don't know. Is it giving Bob? No, because like they know what. It's not giving Bob, but it is short. I only have this one right here remaining. More one show for watch. I don't know more for watch because watch our friends them I can't watch Blackish. I don't want to watch it so my turn pretty because I feel like TikTok has spoiled it enough for me. I don't know. Hi, let me get some light. Let there be lights. Y'all see that? It even produced heat. Oh shit, no, let's turn this down a little. Let's use this one right here. Hi people. How is everybody doing? I'm doing fine. So this is our progress still. It is now 6:24. This is our progress still. I am now going to have myself a fine, nice little dandelish in the bath, and then we're going to continue with these ones right here. We are on to the last row.
Ruse or deception at this. Tamar. Shalom. Come on. You can make me clean.
This is like the first time when I assume feel long while I'm ear done. We're going to do our lashes because we need to leave. I told Kimani I'll be in Kingston by 3 o'clock. It's not 3 o'clock. Probably, I don't know if you guys are wondering. Probably not, probably. If you guys are wondering why am I still home and school already started, a child is homeless. We're trying to start that out and it's taking a long time. So until that starts out, I'll be here. Well, it's a start out today. Today it's a start out. But yeah. This not come out. Why not come out? It is like this today. So you have 15, 14, 13, 12, 10. But I use the 215 them on each eye and a 14. You guys heard me talk about being on a committee, and I've never really stated which committee I'm a part of. So the committee that I'm a part of, I'm trying to focus, guys, is the department committee. So by department committee, it's my major. You have departments anyway. You have faculty, then you have departments. So my major, I'm a part of our committee. I am the PCC. So the PCC, I need something for my eye. Come on, move over here, so. The PCC is kind of an important person, they say. I'm not sure. What I do is I locked in. Give me a minute. Oh no, we're having our first mess up, guys. Give me a minute. Let me call. So the PCC, don't mind him. The PCC, I'm the publications and communication chairperson, meaning I create graphics for the committee. My first one went public for our committee rep birthday. That's my first public graphic on the page. And then my second one will be St. Kitts. St. Kitts. Come and do my skincare over there, so. My second one will be St. Kitts Independence, which is the 19th of this month. Because you know UE has a good regional. We have a lot of regional students and international students as well. So yeah, what I tend to do is that I create 3 things. The first one, the second one, and the third one. And then I will send it and people choose what they like. Cool. So far I've only have 2. I don't think I want to create another one because Kimani said it's just me wasting my talent because they're just going to choose like the best one. And oftentimes, nonetheless, the best one what them choose is not the one that I like the most. For instance, the birthday one, the third one was my favorite, but everybody chose the second one. Even Kimani, he betrayed me and chose the second one. So I think I'm just going to like create 2 things and then they choose the best. And if they have no more changes what they want to make, them can tell me. I'm gonna make the changes then. So I had sent a link to the guy saying that I've already, because he asked me for it. I was like, oh yeah, I already started one for the 19th. I was just gonna create a third one, but now I'm thinking about it. I am not going to create a third one. So I'm gonna send the link in the committee group and not just somebody by himself. What I'll do is like, I am not the PRO. I work with somebody, and what I'll do is that I would send her and get their input first, and then I'll send it to other people then. But Kim and the first man to see them. This is the first thing that I put on my face. This is like my moisturizer. Then this is the other thing is like a sunscreen. But the first thing is this dark spot remover. I don't know if it's working. I don't think it's working. I'm just using it till it's finished. So my lashes are finished. They're not giving identical. They're giving siblings, not identical. Like this one eats, this one doesn't eat. But time for us to do our nail. I'm so sad that I didn't get to show you guys the process of my lashes. But oh well.
I just wanna chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts on my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need, and I like your smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby.
Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and set this till quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back till hooked for my bands, would you poof and disappear? Like some of my friends, if I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I doubt, kill a nigga, cat, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside.
I'm gonna just take screenshot from this. I'm pretty done a motherfucker. I was looking okay. She think that she with me. Isn't it okay? Hi guys, again, once more I'm finished. These are my lashes. And these are my nails. This one isn't done properly because I accidentally used a bigger finger than the one that is used for it. But these are them. And this is the hair. And this is me. So I'm shooting the word at you. Skin queen and a surfire. And she makes special birth and she knows what she makes that too. I'm so pretty. And I'm so grateful to be this pretty.